tired of staring at a blank screen every week? Build this one sheet and you'll never run out of content ideas again. This is my Evergreen content library. It stores everything I've ever posted or might post in one place, and I'll show you how I build it. Right now, you'll see I have the workbook open. I named it Content Library. I've added the headers in row 1, topic, hook, format, notes, status, last used, and the link to the last posting. So what we'll do first is we'll go ahead and set up the status column. This is going to go ahead and let you track what's fresh versus what's already posted. So what you do is you'll highlight all the cells you need. We'll go to data validation, add a rule. And right here, it says I've selected E2 through E36. I'll go ahead and expand that to say 150. So that way, as your content library grows, it will already be filled out for you. And if you ever go past 150, you can just go here and edit it and change that number to whatever you need it to be. So now we're going to go ahead and build the drop down. We'll use option 1. We're going to go ahead and use these buckets. Idea, drafted, and then we'll use one more. It'll be used. And we'll go ahead and hit done. And now the rule is ready to go. And then with the same cells highlighted, we'll go ahead and, we'll go ahead and add the colors here that'll help you see where it is pretty quickly. So that'll be in format, conditional formatting, and we'll go ahead and change this right here, just 150. And what we're going to go ahead and do is we're just going to color code the 3 buckets we just created. So we'll go here to text is exactly, and if it's idea, we'll go ahead and make it gray. Click done. We'll add another rule. Text is exactly. Go ahead and use drafted. That's going to be yellow. And the last one's going to be used. And we'll go ahead, text is exactly, and type used, and leave that as green. So again, color coding helps you scan quickly and see what's ready and what's not. So one other thing I like to do is we'll go ahead and add the filters to row 1. So go up here and hit the filter, and now you can go ahead and this turns your long list into makes it a little bit easier to search. You can search by topic, you can search by format, you can search by status, or the last time you used it. So that's pretty much it. If you want this Evergreen content library template, just comment library and I'll send it your way right away. Thanks for watching.